people.
Hi guys, welcome back to the island family.
You know the vibes, Island Boy Africa.
Yeah man, and Maria Chica de la Isla and Little Island. So guys, today we're on our little bus trip to Kingston. And we've got our masks on. Got our masks on guys. So anyways, yeah, just going to Kingston and just do a little bit of errands around there.
Yeah man, so
guys, yeah,
probably just gonna be like our little road trip, so
yeah,
hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah,
stay tuned.
Stay tuned. All right, blessings guys.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Bro, now your friend gone.
Wait. Oh, see, I'm friend.
How is she gone?
She's gone about.
I like her, man. If you take care of her and do it for her.
Sorry guys, I took it off because I couldn't breathe in it. It's hot here. You know COVID, you can just get it by touching a seat that someone's had it. The masks are not always fully protecting you.
Yeah, dog, tell them now. Can't feed some now. Can't feed everybody. I wanted them. Yeah, dog, I'm telling this. I miss some mother and father and blessing the child where you have his son. If you want make money, then you can't see a tomb. Me no Catholic, but every day me a room. Buy a phone, cat up me digital phone. Call a meeting with them on the job setters. Intruder alert, some man no want work. Let them man too clean. Fi go inna the dirt and I deserve a space man shirt. It now work, it now work. If them now work, then it can't work. When me say again, it now work, it now work. If them now work, then it can't work. No way.
Yeah, you say that.
it not work, it not work. If them not work, then it can't work. So me tell them, it not work, it not work. If them not work, then it can't work. And them thing ya me no like. Man fi stop beg every day and every night. So me give them every time. Them say Africa you kind. And one time me say no, them turn round say me hype. And that is not right. No, learn fi satisfy y'all when you're not enough. You think a little people out there, so I try fi make it work. Nah no car, me nah no land, me nah no bike, me nah no bus. But fi make it in a life, you want fi walk.
So guys, we're in Kingston and baby just got me roses. Bit early for Valentine's Day, but I feel him. I know the vibe. So guys, yeah, we're just waiting on a car rental. So yeah, we're just waiting on that.
Yeah, man.
So I don't know if it comes with a baby seat. It doesn't come with a baby seat, guys. So I'm gonna try and find out if I can find one. If not, it is what it is.
Yeah.
There's not much I can do about it.
Yeah. Don't crucify her.
Yeah, don't crucify us, please. Like, honestly, it's not our fault.
True that.
Alright. Hey guys, so we're back in Kingston. I've rented a car for a couple of days just to get around. I've asked the guy that rented the car, he's a businessman. If anyone wants his details to rent a car, just throw me a DM at the Chills down the bottom here, and I'll give you his contact details. He's a good businessman. Unfortunately, he didn't have a car seat for the baby island, so we kind of just left on the lurch again without a car seat. But you know, he told me that next time I come, he'll have a car seat for me. So yeah. I mean, he did a little bit of, you know, run around or whatever, or ring around, as I should say, to look for a car seat, but he couldn't find one. So, fortunately, guys, Jamaica, not everyone uses car seats. So now I know for next time it's either me bring one or this guy will supply one for us. Yeah. And I forgot to mention, did I say babe bought me roses? So yeah. All right, guys, this is how we do cleaning the cars. This is how they clean the car, guys. Cleaning the windows. Here we go. Da 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 da. Here he goes. Quick, 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 quick. Why do they want to cause trouble for these dumb, bloody, stupid cars? Like, let the guy do his job. The car's so soft.
Yeah.
Really soft, babe. I don't even think it feels like I'm not even driving. Like it feels weird.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta get some food. Get some food.
Yeah, man.
Eat.
Laughing.
Easy.
Yeah. Yeah, mama.
Smells so good.
What you want to say?
I don't know, give your man that.
Kingston Street.
Shit, how do you turn this on? Shut up. Oh, those bananas look great. I'm not really scared to walk in like half a tree with you. I feel secured with you, but I think like if I was to walk by myself, I'd be really like paranoid. But at the same time, I don't have anything valuable on that they're going to try and rob me for anyway.
True.
They can try and rob me, but if I have nothing to give, what are they going to rob me with?
Exactly.
You know? Like, I mean, what are they going to get from me? Nothing. So that's what I said. Ooh, that's a tough squeeze. So this is how you drive in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Crazy driving, guys. It's crazy. Alright, babe, I don't even know where this KFC is.
Not even sure at this moment. There's a KFC in Alpha Tree. I just don't remember where exactly it's at.
So I keep going straight because I got to turn right here, don't I? I'll go straight because I think it's up further.
Okay.
I think it's up further.
Trying to find a KFC around here, guys.
Oh, my road is going to die by the time we get home.
Oh.
Smells so good. You are my sunshine.
You know, if your window wind down, you will get so much guys hollering at you.
Oh, probably, I know.
It's a drama out here, man.
I see the KFC sign.
Okay.
Should I turn here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, turn here. Okay. Yeah, turn here. Let's see.
I'll just slide you and Arlie can breathe at the back now.
Yeah. Okay, clap.
That sounds nice.
Yeah.
That sounds good. That system. I was thinking of getting a system in my car back home, but I don't want a deaf and island brain. See these cars here, babe? They're for sale.
Yeah.
I know we can find a nice car here. A good deal.
Sure.
Island, we're gonna get something to eat. We're gonna get something to eat. We're gonna eat, baby. We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. I haven't tried this baby here. How do you think? Where's baby? Burger King. Baby here. Oh. Nah, babe, there's no KFC down this way, I think.
Can't remember where it's at.
I can't remember.
There's a KFC over there.
Where?
It's to our right. You can find a turn anywhere.
Okay, yep.
That's right.
Turn up here.
I think it's on the other road.
On the other road.
Yeah, if we can find a turn that goes
That
on the
way.
other road coming down. Just
Is
side.
it a drive-through?
Must be a drive-through, I'm not sure.
Stay on this side.
Yeah.
With me. And Sure, Puppy, you saw it?
Yeah, side. Red and white building.
I read
Of course. Of course, Burger King is red and white.
We can always go Burger King. They got a drive-through.
What did I just say? Burger King is red and white?
Yeah, you did.
I think it's red and
It's
white.
not.
Isn't it?
No, KFC's red and white.
Yeah, I know KFC.
Are you sure it wasn't Wendy's you
No, I
saw?
saw Burger King a while ago.
They're hiring staff, babe, crew members.
Yeah,
I'm joking.
there's KFC.
Oh yeah, drive-through.
Drive-thru.
Oh. What are we gonna get?
I don't know, something to eat. That's all I can say. Like a family meal.
Jeez.
Something enough.
Oh, I feel sorry for people like having to be in this hot heat, you know, selling and making a dollar. Like honestly.
Tough life, man. Everybody have to do what they have to do.
Life is difficult. Oh god, it's been a long ride. Has anybody ever driven a bus?
Local bus.
Rode on a bus, a local bus to Kingston?
It's been second time. Better than the first time. You remember the first time?
Oh, the first time we got stuck for like 4 hours.
For like 4 hours.
Just before we entered the junction.
And it was our first time.
And it was my first time on the bus. And this is my second time. Because I usually rent cars and stuff. So this is my second time. And I can honestly say that it's tiring. It's tiring. Like you feel drained. Like, and I totally understand when Babe says I hate going into Kingston because it's really tiring.
And the bus driver.
Oh, the bus driver was crazy. Like he was driving like a maniac. Like he was just trying to get to Kingston.
Yeah, he tried to overtake in the like most difficult spots.
Yeah, the most corners. It was crazy. You know what I don't understand? You know, in Australia, if people run out of chicken, right? Like if a KFC runs out of chicken, they have to close the store early.
Yeah.
They can only sell like whatever's left to sell. But usually, if it runs out, that's it. No, everyone gets angry because they can't get chicken.
True.
It feels like for some reason.
That's like the main thing.
Yeah, but it seems like for some reason Kingston, like I've never seen anywhere here where it runs out of chicken. There's chicken everywhere.
They're gonna try to not run out of chicken because nobody wanna lose.
Nobody wants to exactly not have. Yeah, I know. So guys, yeah, this is what it is. Do you know what I reckon? I reckon being a security guard standing there for 8 hours a day, or how many hours they stand there, just, you know, oh. Hang on a sec, hang on, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna reverse for this car here. Alright. Muchas gracias. And that's how you do it, guys. Not really, but you know. Anyways, so please comment down below, tell us your experiences when you're on a bus, if you've been, you know, had to live local here in Jamaica and you've been on a bus to Kingston, and tell us your experiences. We've been caught up. First time we got to wait in a bus just entering the junction for 4 hours while we waited for the Prime Minister.
Yeah, because they blocked the road in that highway that they're building in. Like about when you're about to enter the junction. Yeah, and the workers blocked the road that was working on the road
because they wanted to let the Prime Minister in.
Yeah, I think it's have something to do with their pay or whatever, so they blocked the road and, you know, they
didn't let anyone pass.
Yeah, no bus or no taxi, nobody could
It was
pass.
crazy, guys.
And we were stuck there for 4 hours that day, and it was Babe's first time on a bus, so imagine that experience.
Yeah, crazy.
Yes.
And then we got home at literally at like 11 p.m. because
we got home late because we got to Kingston about like after 6,
7, yeah.
Yeah.
It was crazy, guys. Like, we were hungry and tired, and all we wanted to do was just get in the car and come home.
Yeah, man, that was a crazy
you
experience. This trip, we got here fast, but the driver just kind of reckless, to be honest.
Yeah, dangerous. And there was like Island on the bus and also another baby on the bus as well. So can you imagine, like I was petrified, like looking down at the junction, like, you know, I mean, I'm a driver and I drive here, and yes, I'm very aware of what I'm doing, but the way that bus driver was driving, it was like he was on a haste. He was in a hurry to get to where he needed to go, you know, like it was pretty bad. I can't move any forward. This guy wants to go in between. I can't move any forward, like seriously. Yeah, the car at the back could reverse a little bit, you know. It's crazy. People just, anyway. Don't mind my rants, guys. I'm really not a ranty person. You know what I learned about being with Babe, and this is why I love him so much, is because I was a person before where I never had patience. And being with Babe, I've learnt to calm your farm, you know? Calm down, relax, You know, don't worry, like, you're gonna get there eventually, you know, you're gonna get at the front of the line, you know, you're at the back of the line now, but you're gonna get there, that kind of vibe. And Babes, I know Babes secretly gets frustrated too, but I know that he doesn't show it, like, whereas before I get frustrated and I show it. I'm like, oh, come on, man, you know, but now it's like, I take my time, you know. I think when you stress less, it's best.
True that.
Yeah, for sure. So that's Kingston for you, and this is life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys. Hi, can I just get a family 9, please?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mix them.
Say it again?
Mix the chicken.
Yes, please, mix.
Okay, what 2 liter?
What liter?
Say it again?
Okay, what 2 liter Pepsi?
Yeah, Pepsi.
Okay, that's it?
That's it.
Okay, come on. 3,435.
Okay. Alright, guys, so we're heading home now. We've just had a feast.
Yeah.
KFC feast, little fatties we are.
Yeah.
But we were really hungry because we hadn't eaten from this morning, so, and it's now 4:30 in the evening, so yeah, going home. It's a bit busy right now. We're catching up a little bit of peak hour traffic, but yeah, getting home.
We have a little island here.
Little island, guys, nice
Feeding.
and secure.
Yeah, man.
Nice and secure, guys, you know, with the best we can do while we've got him, you know.
True.
So we just have to do with what we've got. I never seen that clock up there.
Clock?
That's a clock.
Oh.
4:39.
Or is it just
It's a screen with like a clock.
Oh, okay.
Big pot. He's playing with the milk and tipping it all
You
over
boy.
himself. Island, what are you doing, man?
Come.
You know, I reckon Bob Marley's birthday had just passed, right? They would have made Bob Marley's late birthday something really big if COVID wasn't around, you know?
True. It's normal every year for him too, you know. They can always keep.
Yeah, but they do big festivals for him, don't they? Like artists get together and sing
It's a normal.
his favourite songs and stuff. But they haven't done that this year because of
Because
COVID.
of COVID. Look at the mangoes, babe. To your left. And they're all young. They're not even ripe any time really.
Guys, I'm just sitting at a traffic light, so I just quickly grab the camera off Babe. Look at those mangoes up there. They're not quite ripe yet.
Yeah, they're not ready yet.
They're not ready yet, but geez and
tree is loaded.
peas, if they were, you know where I'd be, sitting right underneath that mango tree eating mangoes. So guys, if you want some Chinese food, Japanese food, Beirut Mediterranean food, we went to Tracks and Records, which is Usain Bolt's restaurant. He owns it. Yeah, so that's what it is. Kingston. So if you ever come to Jamaica, guys, and you want to get a bit of a different cuisine, come down to this street. From what I can see, this is called is it Hope Road?
No.
No.
I remember, but I don't think
It's not Hope Road. So I just tried, guys, 3 different pieces of chicken at KFC. I only ate 2 pieces of chicken, Maya, I must add. 2 pieces of chicken I had. I saw Babe's chicken, it looked like it was a barbecue sort of chicken. That's not really my thing. I didn't like that one, but the spicy and original is nice for me. And you know, me and Babe, we try to keep a clean eating, don't we, Babe?
Yeah.
We don't eat that much. We eat like maybe twice a day, which is pretty good. I think we don't eat heavy foods, junk food all the time. And now I've been told, you go to Jamaica, make sure you try the KFC. If you don't try the KFC, then you know, we've already tried it once before. We tried it in 48.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't enjoy it then. I think it was a zinger I had that time, and I didn't enjoy it. This is actually the first time I ever enjoyed KFC. Yeah.
I'm starting to get used to Kingston roads, guys, like where I need to go and stuff. Like I'm slowly getting the hang of it. I'm not too fascinated, not fascinated, but I don't know that there's some areas I don't know still.
Yeah.
Maybe half a tree and that, yes.
But out of like, you know, manage yourself, you know? And getting around certain places.
True.
Because usually at first we'd have to use Google Maps to go to these are the places that we going to now. So we're pretty much familiar with these little areas.
Definitely.
Cars running smooth.
Very quiet car.
Yeah, very silent. I get home at about what, like sometime after 6 to 7 that time.
You know what, guys? I can honestly say my husband loves food, and I know he gets really. He's like grandpa. He eats, he gets tired.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, whatever. He gets tired, guys. He just wants to sleep. He wants to get into bed.
Yeah.
Or more like relax on his YouTube.
Or PUBG.
Yeah, Fupa.
Other what?
Fupa, did you see that?
Fupa?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
But you know what a Fupa is?
No? What is a Fupa?
The chocha.
What the hell?
He said this car was a Christian car. Well, it's not
Exactly.
anymore. It's not anymore.
What the hell?
Everybody knows what Fupa is. Jeez.
Yeah, I'm behind time.
What? Hard time. Cowboy.
Manapart Plaza. From the Gaza.
Hey. Hail Mary, full of grace.
Babylon on the street. Fireborn Babylon.
Are you full, baby?
Yeah, I'm full.
Sure?
Yeah. Full to the brim. Defo. Far out. To all my Australians out there. Yard man in the building. What happened to you now? What's happening with you? Yeah, go back to a little countryside.
Yes.
Yeah. Where they could chill and peace. Quiet. Tranquil. You know the vibe, so y'all look for me. Y'all look for me, son. Nah, easy.
I don't know, guys. During when we first came, we drove up that way.
Yeah, Google Maps is a hell of a crazy thing. Google Maps took me all the way up, what, Stony Hill or whatever.
Stony Hill.
Jesus Christ.
We're gonna go visit David Martin.
I remember the time when Google Maps took us to Trenchtown. Jesus Christ, your people. Don't always trust Google Maps. I don't know if it ever failed any of you guys, but it has failed us about like twice. Yep. And it's not like we put in a wrong address.
No.
But it
Wow.
got on some routes that was just. We're in Buffy, guys.
We're in the Buffy. Buffy Duffy. No, not her. She looks feisty. She probably kicked my door.